Hey y'all, welcome back to Rolling Pin Recipes. Today we're going to make a delicious side. This is cornbread. This is the cornbread my grandma used to make. Some people like a lot of sugar in theirs, some people don't. I'm gonna start off. This is kind of a small bowl, but we'll manage. I'm gonna start off with a cup of cornmeal. Oh boy. Oh boy. And I just got it all over my bread. Jiminy. And stuff's falling. This isn't a pizza loaf. Oh boy. Well, if you get a crunchy piece, it's cornmeal. Ain't nothing I can do about it now. It is what it is. You put it, kind of, on pizza. We need a cup of all-purpose flour. Busy day in the kitchen, y'all. I'm gonna try to put a little more liquid in this time. About a cup of AP flour. Oh, good thing that lid was on. I think I do a half cup of sugar. My husband prefers it a little more sweet, so we'll do a shy half. I don't really remember at this moment in time because I have quarter cup written on my recipe. If it's too sweet, we know why. It's a lot of sugar though, so hopefully I'm right. We're gonna go in with a tablespoon of baking powder. I don't feel like getting out my spoon, so we're gonna eyeball it. My loaf is just getting trampled on right now. Cooking at home, y'all, calls for a lot of salt. Half a teaspoon. It's about right. I'm gonna need a bigger bowl. This ain't gonna cut it. I thought I could make it work. Just know, y'all, it's always better to get a bigger bowl. Let's be honest. Okay, I'm gonna give that a little mix. Can get this together really quickly. Not too bad. I might need to clean my pan out a little bit. Shoot. Alright, y'all, we've got a lot of projects going on still. Got my melted butter in here. The oven's on. We are going to pour batter in. I need to adjust my recipe if the half a cup of sugar is correct, so I don't have to keep second guessing. We're gonna bake this for about 20 minutes or so. I'll check it with a toothpick or a thermometer. Alright, y'all, we'll bake this for 20 minutes or so. Top rack. I'll do 10 minutes and then turn it. Alright, y'all, it's time to rotate this cornbread. Hopefully it's cooking up good. Give it a little rotate, keep it going, at least 10 more minutes. All right, y'all, this baked for about 20 minutes or so. It looks really good. Hopefully, I didn't give it a shake like this, so I'm not even gonna try to plop it out, but it doesn't look like it's sticking to the sides at all, so that's really good. We're just gonna cut a pie out. Feels way more moist. I know people don't like that word. Ooh. Oh yeah, I think this is way better. Wow. Way more moist. My husband likes his cornbread on the bottom of his chili. Perfect to serve with cornbread. Oh yeah, y'all. Definitely need more liquid. That's good. And I think half a cup was right because it tastes just fine. Here, try that. Very moist. I made a lot of chili a couple weeks ago and froze it. Serve it up with some sour cream and cheddar cheese. Good thing I just shredded a ton up. We love cheese around here. Alright, y'all, we're gonna put a bunch of sour cream. And it's time to eat. This is a perfect side for chili or soup. Let me know what else you put cornbread with. Oh, I think people eat it with like a bean soup or something. The recipe will be down below. If you give it a try, let me know what you think. Bon appetit. Hey y'all, I just wanted to pop on here and let y'all know that this is the best cornbread I've made yet. It's moist, soft, delicious. Half a cup was right on the sugar. I do a little shy, but it's like soft, fluffy. Doesn't crumble apart and make a fat mess. That butter on the bottom, you can really taste it and it's so good. Absolutely incredible. Give this a try. My grandma would be proud, y'all. She would pour her up some buttermilk on her cornbread and eat it right up. Miss that lady. Bon appetit, y'all.